The ZH650R automatic tyre changer revolutionizes workshop efficiency with intelligent design, delivering both speed and operational safety for repair shops and 4S centres. Its compact structure integrates seamlessly into any workspace, maximizing floor utilization without compromising functionality. Engineered with multi-voltage compatibility and dual motor configurations to match varying operational demands. Standard 186mm cylinder ensures stable daily performance with an optional 200mm upgrade for intensive tyre service demands. The fully automatic pneumatic rear tilting arm auto-adjusts angles for precise tyre rim separation, while an additional pneumatic auxiliary arm provides reinforced support during challenging operations. From compact cars to commercial vehicles, 10 to 24-inch rims achieve precision servicing across vehicle classes.